Are you really tired about how to make money, how money work, all sort of thing? I believe that make money mean take money from people. How do you take money from people? You need to therefore provide value, and they provide you money instead of that. So if right now think that how do I take money from the people? So think that how to take money from the world, you have to therefore provide real value to make genuine money. So now if you think that I will provide how I will provide value, and instead of I will make money. So how you provide your value, you have to be skillful. What do you want to do for people? Like if you want to build website, you need to be skillful. You need to know first of all how to build website. Neither you never do that, never accomplish that, never make a perfect, a amazing website. And it takes some time, because of if you are want to be master any specific field, it takes some a lot of like maybe 2 3 5 years, something like that, if you want to be master in a specific field. So be skillful in a specific field that you like. That's mean, I mean that you need to invest yourself firstly, not money. So let's dive into it, how to money work, all sort of thing I will share with you. So number one, invest yourself for learning. I'm today talking about how to money work. Why I said that invest yourself for learning. If you invest yourself for learning how to money work, to learn those type of thing, you need to first of all learn how to money work, how to this world work, how to build website, all sort of thing. If you have skill, you have money. If you have skill, that's your asset, that's provide you money. So when you like stop your work, you haven't any kind of asset. So money exactly work like if you are, that's one source that generate you for your money, to give you money. So it's your asset. So invest yourself for learning those type of thing. Like if you buy gold, it's provide you money, because gold never change anyone in this world, but money change people. Money, inflation, that government print money a lot of, therefore every product price is would be increase. So you need to learn those type of thing first of all if you want to be master of money. So number two is think and grow risk. You need to think, never follow 99% people. Keep in mind that every people as if follow you, not you follow other people. 99% people you can follow, correct man. 1% people, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, all sort of thing. But every 99% people, they are just would be want to follow you. So keep in mind that. And number three is taking action. When you learn those things, any skill, when you think, take action, start now. And you know how to money work. Money exactly work if you have a skill, if you are like action taker, you will understand automatically how to money work. Exactly, you need to provide value, therefore people give you money. Neither not, neither not legal way you can make money. So I would say you need to learn first of all yourself. You need to invest yourself first of all. You need to take course, book, all sort of thing for learning, and be master about any valuable thing. Learn from a real world expert, not from school university. That's nothing to you. So learn from real world expert. You can learn going to Udemy, Skillshare, or any kind of course you can take from online. There is a lot of option you have to improve yourself, skill, all sort of thing. So I'm hoping you has been got something from this video. And if you are hear me right now, see me, please write down comment. I will appreciate you. I will remember you because of I never quit my shooting my video until I died. So comment down. I will remember you that 7 years ago, 20 years ago, one people my first comment I got. So write down. If you are hear me, if you are see me, write down comment. I will appreciate you. I will remember you. See you later in the next video.